An MEP project manager is responsible for planning, coordinating, and managing all mechanical, electrical, and plumbing work on a construction project. The goal is to deliver the project on time, within budget, safely, and with the required quality. Main responsibilities. 1. Project planning. Review drawings and specifications. Prepare the MEP project schedule. Plan manpower, materials, equipment, and subcontractors. 2. Site management. Supervise MEP engineers and supervisors. Coordinate HVAC, electrical, plumbing, fire protection, and ELV works. Resolve technical and site issues. 3. Coordination. Coordinate with client, consultant, main contractor, architect, structural and civil engineers, MEP subcontractors. 4. Cost control. Monitor the MEP budget. Approve material purchases. Review subcontractor claims. Control project costs. 5. Quality control. Ensure work follows drawings and specifications. Monitor QA/QC inspections. Ensure testing and commissioning is completed successfully. 6. Safety. Ensure MEP work complies with site safety rules. Conduct toolbox meetings and safety inspections. 7. Progress monitoring. Track daily and weekly progress. Identify delays and implement recovery plans. Report project status to management. 8. Project closeout. Complete testing and commissioning. Prepare as-built drawings. Submit operation and maintenance manuals. Hand over the building to the client. Daily tasks. Attend morning coordination meetings. Walk the site and inspect progress. Solve technical problems. Meet with consultants and subcontractors. Review RFIs, shop drawings, and material submittals. Prepare daily or weekly progress reports. Skills required. HVAC systems. Electrical systems. Plumbing and drainage. Fire protection systems. Project scheduling. AutoCAD and BIM knowledge. Contract administration. Leadership and communication. Budget and risk management. Career path. MEP site engineer. Senior MEP engineer. MEP site manager. MEP project manager. Senior project manager. MEP director or construction manager.